What's up, everybody? This your man's DB the producer, and I'm coming to you with a series that I wanted to create called How I Make a Beat in Maschine. I just want to dive in, man, just to show y'all how I make a beat in Maschine from start to finish. A lot of times there are a lot of confusion as far as how to do a beat in the Maschine or how to make a beat in the Maschine, from start to finish. With the bussing, with automation, with arranging, breaks, all that type of stuff. So I just want to be able to show you guys how I do it and just give you guys my process. All right, just show y'all my process. Let's dig in. First thing first, I want to find the sound. I can actually do this from the Maschine. Let's see what VST that I want to use. All right, so let's start off with the Urban Flame. And for those of y'all who don't know, in Maschine, I can use keyboard mode. Go. So right there, I was just tapping my tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 140. I'll do 141. Select my pattern. I'm gonna do 4. Wifey calling. Alright, y'all. So as y'all can see, I went ahead and completed the beat for y'all. So this is my beat. I only use 3 sounds, 3 bells, and some drums, man. Just something easy. Just so I can show y'all how I get by a machine, man. I'm gonna make this sound like something totally different with the effects that I put on, with the movement that I put in the tracks, all type of stuff, man. So just tune in, man. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe. After you subscribe, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Let you guys know when I come in with another video. Thank y'all for tuning in.